In this video, I will explain how you can use BUC Online Education PowerPoint template to make presentations for your lecture and also record your lecture and upload it online. So first of all, open the BUC online course PowerPoint template. So click on it and open it. And there are many things you can manipulate on this template to design your online course lecture. First of all, on the first page, you can type in your course title and also lesson topic or lesson title and your name. And also, let's go ahead and make the first slide too. So in this lecture, I want to explain the content of the Bible. And the Bible consists of both Old Testament and New Testament. So let's just say I'm going to lecture on it. And now I have a first slide, the cover slide, and the first slide for the content of my lecture. And let's just assume that this is all that I'm going to lecture on. Then how do I create a narrated or recorded lecture for this from this slide? So let's go back to the first slide. And if you look at this slide, I have created a square box indicating the area where your recorded video will be placed. So how does it work? Let's see. First, click on slideshow and click on record slideshow. I'm going to click on it and it will take you to this black page. And there, if you have a webcam ready, click on this. Turn on the camera. And here. So this is the setup now you can use to record your lecture. So once you start recording your lecture, all the video and sound will be recorded into this slide of your PowerPoint. So let's start recording lecture. So first click on record. So if you click on record, it will give you a countdown. And after countdown, you start recording your lecture. Hey, welcome to the introduction to the Bible. And for the first lesson, we are going to be discussing about the content of the Bible, mostly the difference between New and Old Testament. Stop. So there, you just recorded your narration for the first slide. So we can go back and see how it's recorded. So click on close. And you see the video you just recorded has become a part of your first slide presentation. So if you click on it, it will play your lecture for the first slide. You start recording your lecture. Hey, welcome to the introduction to the Bible. And for the first lesson, we are going to be discussing about the content of the Bible, mostly the difference between New and Old Testament. What's so great about PowerPoint narration is that you can insert narration or video to each slide. That means that you don't need to record your lecture at one take. So let's go to the second slide. There, you see, there is a separation in the video. There is a separation in the narration. So you can narrate your first slide and you can narrate your second slide separately. It is not continuous video or narration. So you do the same thing. So you click on record the slideshow, and you do the same thing. So click on record. Okay. So if you look at the Bible, there is an Old Testament and New Testament. Old Testament is the stuff that happened before Jesus Christ, and New Testament is what, New Testament is about Jesus Christ coming to us and, giving us second chance so that we may have eternal life. And you close this black window, and there you go. So you have first slide, narrated slide, and second slide, also narrated. What, giving us have eternal life. If you want to give a sense of continuous video throughout the slide, you can record your slide from the beginning, and you can just continuously record your lecture. So this is how you do it. So you start recording yourself. Hello, welcome to Introduction to the Bible. Today we are going to be discussing Old and New Testament. And go to next slide. In this video, we will be talking about Old and New Testament. That's it. So if you go back to your slide, even though you did it one take, now your video is recorded onto these two different slides. So if you click on the first video. Hello, welcome to Introduction to the Bible. Today we are going to be discussing Old and New Testament. And go to next slide. And if you click on next slide, it shows you, it starts from where you left off. We will be talking about Old and New Testament. That's it. When you're done recording your videos for each slide, go back to your video that has been inserted into each slide and make sure, so click on the video and then go to playback tab and see if your video is set to start automatically. If it is not set to play automatically, you need to change the settings. So when you save it as a video, if you do not set it to play automatically, your saved video will not include the full video. So make sure you check, click on the video you just recorded, and go to playback and see if it is set to play automatically. Now you want to save narrated PowerPoint so that you can upload it on your Populi website. There are two ways to do it. First of all, you can save it as regular PowerPoint slideshow, and the student will be able to download the PowerPoint itself and play the slideshow, and then they will be able to watch the PowerPoint with your lecture. The other way to do it is export it and as a video. So click on export and create a video, and you do not change any setting, just use the default setting and create a video, and then it will create a MP4 file for you. So if you export your video, let's click on create video and save it. When you save it, it will start converting this whole PowerPoint into a video. And I just warn you that if you have a 40-minute lecture created in this way, it will take at least about like 1 to 2 hours for the PowerPoint to convert your video. So make sure that you have a patience with it. Your computer is still working on your video, so do not assume that your computer is not working or it has stopped working. As long as you see the progress bar making its progress, you're fine. Once the video is created, you can upload it to your YouTube, and you can create the link for it and put it on your Populi page. So that's it. That's how you use the PowerPoint to record your lecture and put it on Populi. If you have any question about it, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.